Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to quickly sign into your Roblox account on console. So first of all, you want to go ahead and press sign in into your console right there, and after that at the bottom you will see that there is a quick sign in option. You can either scan it with a QR code with your camera, or you can use quick sign in. So I suggest you to use quick sign in because it will be way faster. So what you need to do is open up your phone. Now on your phone, you're going to open up Roblox application. And on Roblox application, you're going to press more and scroll down to the bottom. Then you're going to use quick sign in. And you're going to enter the code, which is for me H298 and 2Q. And you're going to enter it and simply log into your PS5 like that. So if this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.